Miss Lavish London is marketed as an online fashion boutique offering stylish women's clothing inspired by London fashion trends. The website features eye-catching product photos and frequent discounts. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online boutiques legitimately offer fashionable clothing at competitive prices. Having London in the brand name doesn't automatically mean the company is based there or that its products are made in the UK. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers dresses, tops, outerwear, knitwear, and everyday wardrobe essentials. Attractive pricing. Frequent sales and promotional discounts can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart, the branding can create assumptions. Using London in the name doesn't necessarily mean the business operates from London, or that the clothing is locally designed or manufactured. Product quality may vary. The fabric, stitching, and fit may not always match what you expect from the product photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online fashion retailers, sizing may differ between products, so checking the size chart is essential. So, should you buy from Miss Lavish London? Short answer, maybe, but do your research first. If you like the styles and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering, but don't rely solely on the branding or promotional discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.